pipigilan ang paglalabas ng ikangay surprise witnesses sa kasagsagan ng paglilitis kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Ayon po yan sa Clerk of Court ng Senate Impeachment Court. Pero maglalabas pa rin daw ng pre-trial order bilang gabay. Nakatutok si Sandra Aguinaldo.
Sa paggulong ng pre-trial conference ng impeachment case ni Vice President Sara Duterte, nagsabi na ang prosecution na meron silang 57 na testigong balak na ipresenta. Mas marami naman ang sa depensa na nasa 97. Pero sabi ni Senate Secretary Renato Bantog Jr. na siya ring Clerk of Court ng Senate Impeachment Court, hindi nila pipigilan ang paglalabas ng mga ikangay surprise witness sa kasagsagan ng paglilitis. May abiso naman daw ito na 3 araw.
Both parties are allowed to make reservations. Reservations of witnesses that are not yet available or known to them at the time of the pre-trial conference. And during the trial, they may submit or move before the court for the appearance of other witnesses that are not, whose names are not part of the pre-trial brief.
Pero para di maglabo-labo, maglalabas ng pre-trial order ang impeachment court. Laman nito ang lahat ng napagkasunduan at hindi napagkasunduan ng magkabilang kampo.
This is supposed to serve as the blueprint, the guide, the roadmap in the upcoming impeachment trial. In other words, matters which were not incorporated in the pre-trial order cannot be presented during the trial.
Ngayon ang dapat na huling araw ng pre-trial conference pero sa dami raw ng mga ebidensyang kailangan markahan, posibleng umabot na raw ito hanggang Huwebes.
It's clear to me that we cannot finish today. Article 1, we're talking about 4,000 documents. It's not the pace. It's proceeding on a pace that's acceptable to both parties. It's just that there are just too many documentary evidence that need to be marked.
We're anticipating baka umabot tayo ng Thursday sa marking. From COA reports to acknowledgement receipts to SAL-ends. Hindi naman po bago to, nakita nyo na to dahil present na rin naman to sa Committee on Justice. But syempre dito, minamark kasi natin yan, no, each document.
Pero hindi naman daw ito magiging dahilan para ma-delay ang pagbubukas ng impeachment trial sa July 6. Kapwa naniniwala ang magkabilang panig na posibleng hindi matapos sa loob ng 3 buwan ng impeachment trial. Ang tingin ng prosecution, kakailanganin nila ng 62 trial dates para maipresenta ang kanilang mga ebidensya at testigo. 30 trial dates naman ang sabi ng depensa.
If I will consider the number of witnesses and exhibits of both parties, mukhang hindi kakayanin ng hanggang September lang.
With the assessment of Representative Luistro, sa tingin ko 3 months is a bit tight, no? But so we agree on that point. Tingnan lang po namin.
Sabi naman ng bagong tagapagsalita ng House Prosecution Team na si Attorney Jay Tolosa na isa rin sa kanilang private prosecutors, sinubukan umano ng depensa na palutangin ang issue ng conviction threshold bago simulan ang pre-trial conference. Pero agad daw itong binaril ni House Lead Prosecutor Congresswoman Jerville Luistro dahil hindi raw clerk of court kundi impeachment court ang magdedesisyon kung ilang boto ba talaga ang kailangan para ma-convict ang bise.
Start of the pre-trial conference, there was an attempt from the defense to pose this issue as something that should be tackled before we could proceed with the pre-trial conference itself. But as I've mentioned a while ago, that was quickly shut down by Kong Luistro by pointing out, that's not a matter that could be decided by the clerk of court, and it should not be used to delay the pre-trial conference.
Bago magsimula ang pre-trial conference at kapag naka-break, nakitang nag-uusap at nagbabatian ng ilang abogado ng prosecution at defense. Ito ay matapos mapaulat na nagkagirian na ang magkabilang panig hindi pa man nagsisimula ang trial. Kapwa pinabulaanan ito ng 2 panig.
May mga kumalat na rumors na parang nagkalamunan ng buhay daw po.
That is not true. I charge it to fake news. I am conscious that I am representing the interests of the sovereign Filipino people. Hindi po ako papayag na lamunin ng buhay ang laban ng sambayan ng Pilipino. We are not struggling. We are very much prepared.
Hiningan din ng komento ng media si Attorney Sheila Sison, Lead Defense Counsel ni VP Sara, pero ang sagot niya, Sandra Aguinaldo, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.